Let's listen to sounds with Toodee!
Hey guys, it's me, Toodee! It's time to listen for sounds! Yeah! Okay, shh! Let's listen! Can you hear it? Is it the sound of a vacuum cleaner? No! Keep listening! Is it the sound of a car honking or a bird chirping? A bird